We're back. Today we're talking about the pool deck at the Courtyard Marriott in New Orleans, Louisiana. This is a hotspot in New Orleans, frequently visited hotel, but the pool deck is just very bare bones. We need to boost it up a little bit for sure.
It looks like it's dated. So again, we're gonna go in, give our suggestions, see how we can make it better.
So when you're talking about outdoor spaces and pool decks specifically, think about zones. You wanna pick strategic zones that are going to appeal to all different types of pool users. So for this instance, we went with fire pit zone, eating zone, and lounging zone.
So as you can see, it's kind of this like dungy orange color. We're gonna go in and refresh that whole building with a new color of Hunter Green by Benjamin Moore. It is rich, luscious. It's gonna go with like the palm trees and really complete and refresh that look.
Also, sometimes when a pool is within a building, it can kind of lean on like the more budget side of things, but use the building to your advantage and think of it like an accent wall.
As well as refreshing the building, you really wanna refresh the floor. So we've went with this very nice checkered kind of style tile that will be good, easy to clean, durable as well for all the pool users.
The terracotta is gonna do wonders to this whole space. It's gonna look completely new. So moving into the zones, we went with the fire pit zone. So we put in this beautiful light gray fire pit with these really comfy couch chairs. They are totally durable for outside, great for wear and tear and rain, but they're also more of like a cute lounge style of chair versus like your sort of cottagey Adirondack chair.
So the next zone is the dining kind of eating zone. We always love protecting that area with some kind of coverage. We went with a pergola. It's going to be durable. You don't have to take it down during like seasonality or anything like that. Paired with a new dining table, some nice wipeable durable chairs as well, and it will be very inviting for people, and then also enjoy like the swim in the pool afterwards.
And then lastly, of course, we have the lounging area. You of course need that beside a pool. So we did these beautiful loungers. People are really afraid of white when it comes to pool loungers, but a lot of these exterior cushions that are made, they are commercial grade. They're so durable. They're made for the wear and tear, and they can be bleached. So they actually can be cleaned more easily than another pool type of chair that has a color on it.
Guests are gonna just bring their own towels, or hopefully the hotel will actually provide the towels. So people aren't gonna actually be putting their oils, their suntan lotion on those cushions anyways.
This building already had a beautiful sort of mirror feature wall, which we thought was amazing. So we just kept that. That's another great way to utilize the exterior walls in a space like this, is using mirrors, paint, other types of exterior wall finishes go a really long way.
Finally, to wrap it all up, just to add some like landscape and dimension, we want and recommend to do some low maintenance kind of palms.
Adding some greenery is like absolutely necessary for a pool space for sure, especially in a place like Louisiana. Here's what this pool deck would look like with all of these changes implemented. So for any of these items that we talked about, check out the description below. You can shop all of the stuff that we talked about, and please subscribe to our channel. We have so many other videos just like this. You're gonna love them, I promise.